Yo, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a few things that you need to have if you're just starting out your own YouTube page. And when I talk about a few things, obviously through the thumbnail of this video, you've already seen that I'm talking about the two most essential apps that you need when you're just starting out a YouTube channel. I've used these two essential apps when it comes to creating my podcast, or when it comes to creating my own videos, in terms of like giving reviews or with my t-shirts, or talking about the clothing industry in South Africa and everything like that. So yeah, let's just dive right into it. The two apps that I'm talking about, mainly it's Vivacard and Canvas. All right, Vivacard is a really powerful, sort of underrated application when it comes to video editing and everything like that. What I love about this app is that it allows you, to pretty much do everything that you could possibly do on your laptop, right on your smartphone. The thing is, when I say everything that you can do right on your laptop, right in your smartphone, is because I have a laptop, but it's not as strong as I would like it to be, so it doesn't process videos or applications such as Premiere, or the Adobe Premiere application. So this is really a good substitute for me to be able to do pretty much the same thing that I would be able to do on Adobe Premiere right here on my smartphone. So yeah, be advised that this application doesn't really smoothly run on almost every type of smartphone. I think it needs a smartphone that's kind of has like a higher RAM and a higher storage, so that it can be able to export your video successfully and everything like that, and just so that it doesn't lag and slow down as you're editing your videos. Yeah, so let's just dive right into it. What I like about this app is that you are able to layer videos on top of videos. You're able to layer pictures. You're able to sort of put your voice in the background while you're showing the viewer something else on the video, just so that they don't get bored. Because as people really have a really short attention span. So even if you're just going to be talking about something, it's always good to be showing them exactly what you're talking about. And this video, Vivacard, allows me to do that. It allows me to add music, it allows me to add effects, it allows me to add smooth dope transitions. I can do time lapses, I can do all this type of stuff when using Vivacard. So yeah, Vivacard is a really dope app. If you'd like to try it out, I'm going to leave a description below where you're going to be able to download the full premium version of the application. So yeah, and right after that, after you're done with your video, after you upload it, obviously to be able to bring in people to come and view your video, you have to have a really cool looking thumbnail. So this is where Canvas comes in. With Canvas, it really gives you a number of templates that you can use in terms of creating a thumbnail for your videos. It allows you to cut out the background of your image and everything like that. It allows you to create cool effects, cool dope fonts, dope visualizations that are going to allow you to end up with a really dope and cool looking thumbnail. It also has thumbnails you can use, or I would rather say templates you can use on Instagram, templates you can use on all various type of social medias. You can also make intros and outros on Canvas for your YouTube pages. As you can see here, this is the intro I made right straight out of Canvas. And I think it's really not bad, for somebody who's just starting out. So yeah, I would say these are the two best apps when it comes to starting out your own little YouTube channel and everything like that. Vivacard and Canvas. These are the really two dope apps. You can use these templates on your Instagram, Facebook, as well as YouTube, when you're trying to promote your YouTube channel, and while you're also trying to make sure that everything comes off as professional looking, everything comes off as sort of the type of image that you would like the viewer or the people that will potentially subscribe to your channel to kind of receive. So yeah, these are some really cool apps, man. These are some really cool apps. As somebody you're starting out, everybody always thinks about having that high quality camera, having some good lighting, having a good microphone and everything like that. As I'm talking to you right now on this video, I'm actually using a microphone for my headsets, just so you can see that to start, it doesn't, you don't necessarily have to have all this fancy equipment for you to be able to produce high quality good content for your YouTube channel. So yeah, man, these are the two apps that I recommend for you to try out as you're starting out. And if you like some tutorials on how you can make these transitions and everything like that, as you have seen in my videos, where when I'm talking, I'm also showing you sort of like a video or representation of what I'm talking about, or what I would like to sort of for the viewer to receive and everything like that. I'm going to also put down in the description below the YouTube channel for Vivacard, where you can sort of go there and sort of learn and everything like that. It's really simple. It's nothing. It's not rocket science or anything like that. It's nothing that complicated for somebody who's not really familiar with video editing and anything like that to be able to do. All you have to do is just have a timeline, have a storyline, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can add things as you go along. As you listen to yourself talking, certain words are going to help you do that.